Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Pre-market today, SPY is currently on a downtrend. It was actually trending upwards and now it has reversed and it's moving downwards. That being said, I'll keep an eye on SPY at market open. Today, as usual, my primary watch would be Tesla. Tesla was actually trending up, and since SPY has reversed, Tesla is also following the same path. I would like Tesla to break the pre-market high and continue higher if I am likely to take a call option. Else, I would like Tesla to break the pre-market low and continue down if I am looking for a put option. So based on what happens at market open, I'll either choose a call option or a put option. If you take a look at Tesla, there is a gap between 1101 and 1092. I'm anticipating Tesla to do a pop and then fade and close the gap. So going into market open, Tesla would be my primary watch. We do have around 20 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now. And I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Tesla here. Not in a hurry to jump in. I want Tesla to break the pre-market high and continue higher. It's too early for me now, but it's a good move. I'm looking at call options and I'm trying to figure out a good strike price. For me, 1200 looks good. It's 2 minutes into market open. Tesla has already broke the pre-market high. I would like Tesla to continue higher and then give me a pullback. And if it does, we would have multiple levels for entry. You can anticipate a breakout and try to buy a call option, but that's not my strategy. I'm not a breakout trader. I'm a pullback trader. So this to me suggests weakness. Bulls tried hard and right now the bears are in control. SPY, Nvidia, everything dropping. So I think today we would get some put opportunities. As I said earlier, you could anticipate this level to break down and buy puts, but that is not my strategy. I would wait for confirmation. I want this level to break, continue lower, and then on the rebound, I'll be buying puts. Yep. Certainly it's breaking. So I'm looking for a put strike price. $1,000 looks good. 1050 also looks good, but I need more volume. Yep, as I said, the gap fill is about to take place. It's certainly filling the gap there. Jumping in. 945. Anticipating this level as a resistance, and that's why I got in. My second ad would be around 1108. So put option 1050 strike price. Got in at 945. Only 5 contracts, so not a big deal. Selling 3 contracts, 1045, 1060, and then just holding 1 contract, selling. A good trade to start the day. Now I'll try to repeat the same process. I think Tesla is reversing. SPY is already up. Now on the call side, I want Tesla to break today's high. Only then I'm interested. And on the put side, I want Tesla to break today's low. Flipping to calls for now. I think I'll stick with 1200 strike price. Tesla is not giving me a clear indication on the direction it wants to go. So right now, sitting on the sidelines watching. If it wants to give me a quick bounce, I'll get in. 1090, 1160, I'm getting in. 5 contracts. Next ad would be around 1089. 10 contracts. Getting in. Our average is 1138. EMA should keep it down, but I think I can sell some at 1180. Now another at 1220. Now 3 contracts at 1225. I didn't get it, so let me just exit some at 1190. Now remaining 3 contracts, I'll just give it some time. Maybe I'll just exit one more. I'll keep 2 contracts. 1150 being my final exit. Yeah, it's below that. Just took it off. Now one more contract. Stop at 1150. Placing. So that trade was really good. I was looking for a third ad, but I did not get filled. Had I got my third ad, this would have been a much bigger winner. But green is good. And my exits were also good. I got 5 contracts out at 1180, another 5 at 1227, 1212, 1205, and 1150. I think I'll be taken out now. Yep. It was a bad fill. Even though my stop price was at 1150, I got filled at 1140. I'll wait for another 30 minutes, and if no setups turn up, I think I'll call it a day. So on Amazon, we do have around 2 levels. Yep, it's coming. I think it should come to 1305. I'm just placing an order out there. $14 holding support. Cancelling for now. You missed it again. 1390 would have been a perfect entry, but it is what it is. Hard luck on Amazon. I'll pause. So back to Amazon. Amazon made a new high, which suggests strength. Now I'll be looking for pullbacks. Just getting in at 5 contracts at 860. Yep, I'm in 5 contracts. Now my next ad would be around the EMA. If it wants to continue down, I'll get my second ad. If not, I'll take a profit around 960, 970. That's my profit target. out at 980. Selling another 2 at 980. Now just one contract at 975. Yep. That was a stress-free trade, I would say, because I did plan for 4 ads. I just got 1 ad, took the money when I had it. So far on the day, making $2,000. I'm completely happy with it. All right, I've been trading for almost 1.5 hours now, and I think the market has already slowed down. So I don't want to overstay my welcome, and I think I'll call it a day. Overall, a great day of trading, 3 out of 3, 2 on Tesla and 1 on Amazon, making $2,089. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.